now we start getting into the fun stuff, actually using our instruments and holding our needles and applying everything we've learned. I don't want to repeat it all, so please just make sure you bring it forward with us. And the first thing we need to look at is how, not like that, is how we hold and handle the needle. So over here we have the needle driver drawn. In all the ones we're starting out with, and all the basic ones, we want to hold it towards the end of the needle driver and at a 90-degree angle. So not like this down here or like this. When we get to some more advanced techniques, we will hold it at a bit of an angle, but for now just keep it at 90 degrees, just like that. Where on the needle you want to grab it, if we were to split it into thirds and half, you want it somewhere between halfway and 2/3, but we're going to start off with 2/3 from the end, so right about there on the needle, just like that. And this allows for control. The closer you get to the end, the more control you have, but then the smaller the bites you can take. So it's good to start off with 2/3, but I'm just explaining in what cases you would change the positioning of your grip. Thirdly, looking down here, right now we have the needle pointing medially and pointing superiorly, so upwards. This is called the forward grip, and this is the most commonly used one, and it's when we're suturing towards ourselves. So we're going to start off with this, but later on we'll see the reverse grip, where the needle is medially and pointing inferiorly, and this is called the reverse grip, and it's when we suture away from ourselves. But yeah, so I'm just mentioning this now because it will come up later. But yeah, primarily right now, 90 degrees towards the end, 2/3 pointing up in the forward grip. So that's how we're going to hold the needle.